Hey everyone, so this is Adam from Those Traveling Petersons. I just pulled all kinds of footage off an old GoPro of mine, and I thought I'd start creating videos for this channel that you're watching right now. So this one that I'm putting up first is our trip out to Utah, Moab, Arches National Park, and it's a drive through Arches that we thought was absolutely gorgeous. So let me flip this around and I hope you enjoy this.